Okay, I'm about ready to leave American Dry Stripping. I want to let you know this car is stripped. This thing, they did every piece of it. We need to change that back panel. It went underneath. This baby's solid. 1937 Ford. A little bit of rust. A little bit. That patch looks like been in there a while. I'm gonna have to make a custom firewall. Our goal is for 2013. This car is sitting at Northeast Rod and Custom Car Show in Philly on a turntable, ready to compete for the top dollar. We need to get hustling on this, but that is our goal. Okay, I'm heading back to Danbury, picking up another car, and I'm bringing it here, get sandblasted. I'll keep in touch.